Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Hi peoples, welcome back. This is day 6 of 30 days of questions. Day 6. Can I use outboard mix oil for my chainsaw?
That's another awesome question that I get like all the time on the comments and in emails. I will say this right off the bat. I've got a lot of comments too saying, Steve, I've used outboard mix oil in my fuel, just like I do in my two-stroke outboard. I've used that in my chainsaw for years and I've never had a problem. Researched this quite a bit, and the answer I'm getting is that outboard mix oil is for water-cooled engines. Chainsaw mix oil is for air-cooled engines. The two oils have a different flash point. They burn at different temperatures because your outboard is running cooler because it's water-cooled. Your chainsaw is running way hotter than an outboard does. So if you run the outboard mix in your chainsaw, it's burning at a different temperature. For the price of that mix oil, why would you do that? Why would you risk that? I mean, there's people out there that have $1,500 chainsaws. Why would you risk putting outboard oil in your mix instead of actual good quality chainsaw oil? I don't think you should do that. Again, like, hey, I had a comment once that said, a guy said, I have a whole jug of this outboard oil. I sold my outboard. I have this sitting there. I'm just using it in my chainsaw now because now it's like free oil. Well, if I had a $1,500 chainsaw, I think I would scrap that oil. I would still use the proper oil. Up to you though. If you want to risk it, go ahead. I don't think you should. That's my answer. Just in case.
Yeah, fair enough. Okay, that was day 6. If you like that, give Steve the thumbs up for that one. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And stay tuned for day 7 coming up with 30 days of questions.
Yeah.
If you missed previous days, don't forget the questions are all in the description below this video. Or you can go back to our channel and you'll find it in the Saloon Mail playlist.
Awesome.
And don't forget to turn that bell notification on so you don't miss the next video. And I think that's about it.
Awesome. April and Steve out.